Hey there, metalwork enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into the best 3 CNC plasma cutting machine options that are trending on Amazon. Perfect for hobbyists, garage tinkerers, and small shop pros across the USA. Whether you're tackling steel signs, metal art, or DIY projects, you'll want a cutter that's fast, precise, and hassle-free. I've handpicked 3 standout CNC-ready machines, each built for power, precision, and ease of use, so you can confidently choose what fits your workflow. Stick around because I'm breaking down the features, customer feedback, pros and cons, and what makes each one a worthwhile Amazon find. Let's get cutting. Product 1. GUOZHI CNC Plasma Cutter, 55 amp non-HF, pilot arc, THC enabled. This dual voltage, 110/220V, IGBT plasma cutter handles stainless, alloy, mild steel, copper, and aluminum with a clean 1-inch cut and smooth starter arc function, THC, for consistent results. Pros: cuts a wide range of metals cleanly. THC, torch height control, keeps cut quality high. Non-HF, non-high frequency pilot arc reduces interference issues. Cons: limited to 55 amp, may struggle with thicker materials. THC adds cost and complexity. Customer feedback: metalwork hobbyists praise its precise cuts and THC benefit, but note that metallic fumes require proper ventilation. One user remarked they were pleasantly surprised by how clean the cuts were on both aluminum and mild steel, especially for a mid-range model. Product 2. Eastwood VersaCut CNC Plasma Table, 2 feet by 2 feet with VersaCut 40A plasma cutter. This compact 24-inch by 24-inch CNC table includes an intuitive controller, USB support, and preloaded patterns. No PC needed, and pairs with the Eastwood 40A cutter, sold separately, for hobbyist-level precision. Pros: space-saving footprint ideal for home garages. Standalone CNC controller with USB convenience. Preloaded designs plus DIY CAD flexibility. Cons: requires separate plasma cutter purchase. Table area limits larger workpieces. Customer feedback: creative users love the easy interface and compact size. One review states it's perfect for sign art and custom brackets, especially for beginners wanting precision without complexity. Product 3. PowerPlasma 82i CNC Compatible Plasma Cutter, 80 amp, blowback start. Built for serious power, this unit delivers clean cuts up to 1 1/4 in steel at 10 to 12 IPM. Italian-designed build quality ensures durability, even under repetitive CNC use. Pros: heavy-duty cutting capability, 1 1/4. Blowback starting makes it CNC-friendly. Robust build promises longevity. Cons: higher price point than beginner models. Requires good power supply and larger work area. Customer feedback: users in small shop environments appreciate the consistent performance. One user noted, perfect for CNC work, handles daily use with 0 hiccups. That wraps up our deep dive into the best 3 CNC plasma cutting machine picks on Amazon. Whatever your workshop needs, there's a winner here. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, keep cutting with confidence.